In my previous video, I told you about quantum mechanics and promised you to explain every point in details. So here is my version of wave-particle duality. Let's get started. Imagine you are in the middle of a space, floating weightlessly, staring at the vast nothingness, when suddenly a teeny speck of light zips past you. Is it particle or a wave? Well, here's the biggest twist of the reality. It's both. Welcome to the bizarre world of wave-particle duality, where light, electron, and even entire planets behave like wave and particle at the same time. But what if I tell you this isn't just about tiny atom? This mystery extends to entire universe. The universe is a quantum wave. Okay, let's start with famous double slit experiment. You may have heard of this, but trust me, the real implications are even crazier. Scientists fire tiny electron at a wall with two slits, expecting them to pass through like a tiny bullets. But when they weren't watching, the electron created an interference pattern just like waves. How can something be a wave and a particle at the same time? And here's the crazy part. The moment they tried to observe electron closely, the wave disappeared and they behaved like a tiny bullet again, as if they knew they were being watched. Is reality watching us back? Now let's go bigger, like galaxy sized big. What if I tell you that entire universe behave like a quantum wave pattern in space? Astronomers have found that distribution of galaxies across the universe forms a pattern, just like wave interference. Even black hole emit radiations in wave and the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light in the universe is a giant ripple. Now let's go even wilder. What if wave-particle duality is the key to understanding UFOs and time travels? Do UFOs follow quantum rules? UFO sighting often describes moving in ways that defies physics, like appearing and disappearing, zipping at impossible speeds. What if UFO aren't physical objects, but high-energy wave pattern? Or even crazier, what if they are from parallel universe jumping between wave states? And here is the final mind-blowing twist. Everything, including you, exists as both wave and a particle. Your atoms, your thoughts, your entire existence is a vibrating energy wave. And here's the catch. You only collapse into particles when someone observes you. So if no one is watching you right now, are you just a wave of possibilities? So what is the truth? Is the universe a wave of infinite possibilities? Are UFOs just a quantum glitches? Or are we all just characters in a simulation? Let me know what do you think in comments below, and if this blew your mind, hit that like button and subscribe for more reality bending mysteries. This was it for wave particle topic. Stay tuned for next part of quantum mechanics, that is superposition.